Xfinity operates a large public Wi-Fi network with over 25 million hotspots nationwide. These hotspots provide internet access to Xfinity subscribers and, with limitations, to non-subscribers. They're often found in public locations like parks, airports, and businesses. As an Xfinity Internet or mobile customer, you get free access. Otherwise, guest access is available for 30 minutes with a premium monthly option. The easiest way to find hotspots is using the Xfinity Wi-Fi app, available on iOS and Android. Enable location services, and the app will show nearby hotspots on a map, including details like speed and availability. The app replaced the older Xfinity Hotspots map tool. You can also search by location on xfinity.com/hotspots, but the app offers a more streamlined experience. Once near a hotspot, select the Xfinity or Xfinity Wi-Fi SSID from your device's Wi-Fi settings to connect. Open any web browser on your device. It will automatically redirect you to the Xfinity login page. On the login page, enter your Xfinity username and password to authenticate. As an Xfinity subscriber, enable auto login through the Xfinity app for a seamless connection experience. If you're not a subscriber, select the Guest Access option for limited free access to the hotspot. While Xfinity hotspots use encryption, it's crucial to take extra precautions. Always use HTTPS websites, especially when entering sensitive information. Avoid conducting financial transactions on public Wi-Fi. Consider using a VPN to encrypt all your internet traffic and protect your data from potential eavesdropping. If you experience login failures, try restarting your device and attempt to connect again. Ensure location services are enabled on your device for accurate hotspot detection through the Xfinity app. If the problem continues, contact Xfinity support through the app or visit their website for help. Check that your device's operating system is compatible with the Xfinity Wi-Fi app, requiring iOS 15 or later or Android 12 or later for full features. Non-Xfinity Internet or mobile customers can still access Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots through a guest pass. This provides 30 minutes of free access to get online quickly. After the free 30 minutes, you can purchase a premium access pass for around $10 per month to continue using the service. This is a great option for short-term internet needs when you're on the go. Xfinity prioritizes bandwidth for its subscribers on hotspots, ensuring faster connections for those with active accounts. Speeds can reach up to 1 Gbps in select areas, but performance varies based on network congestion and your subscription level. Xfinity subscribers face a fair usage policy, limiting hotspot data to 1 terabyte per month to ensure equitable access for all users. Be mindful of your data consumption, especially when streaming video, to avoid exceeding limits and potential throttling. Xfinity is rapidly expanding its Wi-Fi hotspot network, with over 25 million hotspots deployed nationwide and new hotspot zones being added in major cities through partnerships with airports and urban areas. Future developments include deeper integration with 5G technology, providing seamless handoffs between Wi-Fi and cellular networks for improved connectivity and gigabit speeds in urban areas. AI-driven features will analyze user behavior to suggest optimal hotspots, forecast bandwidth needs, and automatically optimize network performance, reducing connection times and improving reliability. Future security enhancements will build on current WPA3 encryption with biometric login options like facial recognition and real-time threat detection to protect user data. Augmented reality integration may allow users to access hotspot information and navigation overlays directly through AR apps, creating more intuitive ways to find and use public Wi-Fi. Looking ahead to 2030, Xfinity hotspots may exceed 30 million locations, featuring full AI automation for network optimization and energy-efficient routers that support eco-conscious connectivity.